What if I told you that just a few hours a day could change your financial future forever? Imagine turning your free time into $500 a day or more. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the simplest side hustles for 2025 that anyone, yes, even you can start today. Miss out, and you could be watching your friends build wealth while you're stuck, ready to make a change. Let's dive in. First up, the rise of AI has opened up a huge opportunity for everyone. No, I'm not telling you to build a robot. 1. AI content creation services. From AI-generated social media posts to blog articles, businesses are willing to pay big bucks to stay ahead. Platforms like Jasper or ChatGPT have made it incredibly easy for anyone to create high-quality content fast. Companies are out there, desperate for people who can help them. Why not get paid to help them save time? And trust me, this is only going to grow, so jump in before the market gets saturated. 2. Digital product sales. The next big thing, selling digital products. Think templates, courses, or ebooks. Create once, sell forever. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy. Imagine waking up to sales notifications. That's passive income working while you sleep. And speaking of earning while you sleep, ... 3. Short-term rental arbitrage. Airbnb isn't just for homeowners. With rental arbitrage, you lease a property, furnish it, and rent it out short-term for profit. You're not buying property, just leveraging one. And yes, people are making thousands every month doing this. No, you don't need a mansion. A cute studio apartment works just fine. But what if you want something you can start today? No overhead. 4. Freelance video editing. In 2025, video is everything. Businesses and content creators need editors. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can help you start. If you have a laptop, you're already halfway there. Imagine turning those Netflix binge hours into a profitable skill. And if editing isn't your thing, no worries. Let's talk about the easiest side hustle to start. 5. Virtual assisting. Virtual assisting is in high demand. From managing emails to social media, small business owners will pay for reliable help. All you need is organization and some basic communication skills. And with flexible hours, it's perfect for anyone juggling multiple responsibilities. But maybe you're ready for something with even more income potential. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products or services. No inventory, no customer service, just share a link and get paid. Whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or high-ticket offers, the earning potential is huge. Don't wait too long, though affiliate marketing is getting more competitive by the day. And finally, we've got the hustle that's redefining what it means to earn money in 2025. 7. Niche coaching or consulting. Everyone's an expert in something. Whether it's fitness, financial literacy, or career advice, people will pay for guidance. You don't need to be a celebrity, just someone with real value to offer. Set up sessions through platforms like Calendly or Coach.me. Your knowledge could be worth more than you think. There you have it, 7 simple ways to earn $500 a day or more in 2025. The question is, which one are you starting? If you're serious about taking control of your finances, check out my next video on building wealth step by step. It'll give you the roadmap to financial freedom. Don't wait, your future self will thank you.